dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hello, kids. I'm so happy to see you. Today we are going to learn a new chess trick. It's called the double attack. Do you know what a double attack is? I think we should ask our chess kings. Come with me.
My friend, don't you think this bush is a little strange here? Maybe we should remove it and make another path for our garden. Oh, hello, Timmy. How are you today, young explorer?
I'm great. Thank you. But I have a question. Today we want to learn about something called the double attack. What is that?
The double attack. Come along, kids. We'll show you. Well then, kids. Today I will show you the first chess trick, the double attack. Let me show you how it works. First, let's invite some helpers to our board. Black Rook, please come here. And another Black Rook. And our White Bishop, too. Come, my friends. Help us show the children how the double attack works. Now look, kids. What happens if the bishop moves here? Oh, look. The bishop attacks this rook. And this rook, too. One piece. 2 attacks! That is the magic trick called the double attack. Only one rook can escape. If this rook moves away, the other rook is lost. That is the power of the double attack. Let's look at another position. Let's invite 2 black knights, 1 knight, and another knight, and a white pawn. Now watch carefully, kids. If the pawn moves forward like this, look, it attacks both knights at the same time. That's another double attack. Only one knight can escape like this. The other knight is lost. That's the magic chess trick, the double attack. Now, kids, let's see if the black pieces can do a double attack too. Let's invite 2 white rooks and a black knight. Watch carefully. The knight jumps like this. Oh, wow. Now it attacks both rooks at the same time. That's our magic trick, the double attack. Both rooks are in danger. Only one can run away, and the other one is lost. Isn't that cool? Now, kids, let's see one last example. This time, I will show you myself. Let's invite a white bishop and a black queen. Now watch. The queen moves like this. Oh, look. She attacks the bishop and me at the same time. That's check. I must run to a safe square. Like this. But the bishop cannot escape. So the bishop is lost. And that, kids, is called a double attack. In chess, any piece can do it. A pawn, a bishop, a knight, a rook, a queen, and even the king. I hope you liked our new magic trick. Now you can try it in your own chess games. And by the way, I heard you really liked our trip to the past in our time machine last time. So today, we invite you to fly with us 100 years into the future. Timmy, come and join us.
Hooray! That sounds amazing. This will be a super fun adventure. Let's go.
board so bright and clear. We gather here with joy and cheer. Pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet. A happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.